Alright, the remote countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arriving in 10 seconds. He'll be like less than that. What the frick? That was 1 second. But Roomba Monk's
What's my purpose?
done.
What's my purpose?
Don't you dare say that. Stay calm or you will get shot. Stand ready for my rifle word.
I'm clean. Please.
Act like nothing happened.
We gotta clean, man.
The Roomba Monk's
cleaning,
done. With its new update, you can.
Do it. Please. We're robots. We're supposed to be. Okay. But like we're robots. We're supposed to be toys for kids. I don't know why we're doing this. Okay. Put the gun down. Then I'll start cleaning.
The Roomba Monk's done. Its new update arrived now. If you had one, then we'll send you a new one and destroy the last one you have.
Stand still. I'm gonna clean you.
The Roomba Monks have 5 new features, I think. They can rob the bank, attack monsters for you, and attack each other, and sell stuff, and they can play Fortnite. And and the last thing is they can play Fortnite.
I get you, blue bro. What's the vacuum gonna do, huh?
What is my bullets going to do?
He sucks. Yo, whoa. Okay.
Continue cleaning.
Oh, couch. This has all the dirties. Hey, I'm stuck. Help me. Save me. Someone save me. Take it out. Thank you. The crevices are always the dirtiest ones. You mean down here?
The Roomba Monks.
I'm just cleaning.
New features that we also want to add to the Roomba Monks.
That was dirty. What the heck is wrong with you? Why do you have so many chips under your covers? Yo, like that should pick up the coins, bro. I found like at least like $10,000 worth of coins. Please shut up. Sell the couch. He's gonna do it. You don't shut up.
For plans that we're adding to add on the Roomba Monk: truck and driving, robbing banks, driving cars, being a taxi driver.
I wonder if we can drive cars. Hold up. How do we drive cars, dude? We're too small to drive them. Okay, stop crashing out, man. Put the gun down.
Hey, you guys are robots! You're supposed to not feel anything. Alright, guys, break time.
Why'd you make us sentient? No, bro.
I said break time.
Leave him alone.
Break time. You guys could play Fortnite.
Wait a second. I'm cracking 90s. At the back of my file. Cracking 90s. Episode 1. I'm cracking 90s. I said why sentient? What? I'm cracking 90s. Boom! Move out of the way!
Robots!
Roblox is too hard! Roblox is too hard! I wanna play Fortnite! Roblox is hard, okay, God. Let's play Fortnite! Okay, go on that side. I heard it has 2 players on here. Fortnite. Great.
The Roomba Monks are the future. They can do it and soon, after a while, they can do everything.
We can go to Victory Royale!
They can even... Wait, I forgot. They can literally, like, buy guns. Shoot our robots soon.
Put your hands up.
And soon, we'll have more sizes. And we'll have sizes for normal people.
Get back here! We're gonna kill you! No!
Oh my god! That was Because I'm a murderer.
Should be safe here.
Yo, Fishius, what's up? I heard you bought some. I heard you bought a robot.
Oh yeah,
Some robot.
we're just not listening. Oh, robots, where are you? Robots, where are you?
Penny. I'm gonna save you. Oh. No, don't shoot it! What is wrong with you?
Robots are supposed to not have feelings.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, what's up?
What you doing?
Oh, I
Killed a
just got
robot.
I
I have a ray gun.
I just got some robots and they didn't listen.
Hold up. Why you killed them?
That's Capity Group reviewing. Thank you for buying our Roomba Monk.